Adam, so as you begin to take on employees in your company, what are some things to think about before you start advertising for a position?
You have to realize that the job advertisement is the first impression for your business. So, what that means is it's the first time a potential candidate is going to learn about what your business is about. Let's say the logo that your business uses, uh, a lot about the position itself, and what to expect. And what I've seen over the years is that a lot of companies they don't understand how important this first impression is. Not only for the candidate to take the potential role seriously, but also to grab, let's say, the quality candidate that you really want. And the quality candidate is going to look at such things as, is this advertisement aesthetically pleasing? Does this look like a professional company that I want to spend my time applying to and potentially working for? Are they complying with the law? Does it say a boneheaded thing like we only prefer men for this position, or we pay at a rate which is below the minimum wage, or no overtime is permitted? All things that I've seen in many job advertisements, among many, many other things. So, in terms of the job advertisement, you want to make sure that it's aesthetically pleasing. You want to make sure it's professionally done. You want to make sure it's legally compliant and doesn't say things that can get you in trouble. And then also, you want to make sure that following that job advertisement, whatever it is that you have in place naturally flows from that. Meaning, you're not going to bait and switch a job applicant into applying for the job and then offering that employee something differently than what was presented in the job advertisement. So those are some considerations to think about with respect to a job advertisement. Have you seen anything interesting with respect to businesses that you've dealt with over the years?
So, just an observation, and not necessarily with businesses that I've worked with, companies will spend thousands and thousands of dollars on their marketing and sales materials, like to make them very catchy and to get them in front of customers, potential customers, right, who may spend a certain amount of money. And then when they go to hire, it's almost an afterthought, even though a good employee has an outsized impact on their business more than a particular customer would, and a bad employee can have an even more dramatic impact on a business. So I just find it interesting that people will spend, tens of thousands of dollars, finding customers, and then 15 minutes writing up a job description that they put who knows where. And we're probably all guilty of it to some extent, but it's something that I think is worth thinking about and maybe reprioritizing.